But hello. Do you see our goose already when the number one?
Video? You mean the first video that we made?
Yes.
Yeah, I think they can see it.
Oh, the little duck is so joyful. I want to put him in the photo.
Okay. We can show it like like this. Yeah.
Oh, that's cute little ducky. You see it drinking the water. This is so cute.
Yeah, we have to clean it up after we make
Now-
the chicken food.
Now it's eating the Janai,
The food.
the food ducks,
Yeah.
and then they're running around again.
You see, they're picking up the food from the feeder that your daddy made it.
Oh, this is the big goose, okay?
Yeah.
But we try to hold it. This is our house. It's made of sticks. This is our orange and also the snow nose. Let's walk to the floor a little bit.
Okay, let's go around and say something.
This is our country. Our country is in Cambodia. And this is Aki. She is always stealing the eggs.
Stealing the eggs, like the goose eggs, chicken eggs, duck's eggs. Eat it all.
I hate that guy.
Yeah. Always stealing the eggs.
Aki, if you steal it again, I will kick you out from the house.
Yeah.
And you have to stay alone. And no, you not can come in my house again, okay?
Okay. I support that.